Good morning. Children, now I am going to tell you about remaining lesson explanation. Children, what is our lesson name? Children, nutritious food. Children, take out your course book. Open page number 53. Children, see here two pictures are here, children. This is a rickshaw man. This is a computer man. We have learned that food gives us energy to do work. People are doing different kinds of work in the pictures given below. Who among the people in the pictures do you think spends more energy? Rickshaw man spends more energy. Okay, children. Next, the amount of energy required and spent by the body depends on the nature of a person's daily or regular work. The amount of energy required and spent by the body depends on the nature of a person's daily or regular work. Is it necessary to eat food every time before we begin a work to get the required energy? No, it is not necessary. The energy obtained from our daily food is stored in our body and it can be spent at any time. Next, children. See this box, children. 10 to 11 years old boys need 1600 to 2200 calories a day, while girls usually require 1400 to 2000 calories a day to maintain a healthy weight. How many calories need to boys, children? 1600 to 2200 calories a day. How many years boys? 10 to 11 years old boys need 1600 to 2200 calories a day. Girls 1400 to 2000 calories a day. 1400 to 2000 calories a day to maintain a healthy weight. Next, children, what is this picture? This is a banana. How many calories in banana, children? 105 calories in banana. What are these calories and where do they come from? In this picture, it is shown that a banana contains 105 calories. Calories are the units of energy contained in the food we consume. This means that our body gets 105 calories by eating this banana. Quantitative food requirements are usually estimated in terms of energy. Example, calories or kilocalories. In this context of nutrition, the calorie we refer to in food is actually kilocalories but just called calories for short. For example, 1 gram of carbohydrates give 4 kilocalories and 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalories of energy to our body. Children, how many grams carbohydrates gives 4 kilocalories? 1 gram of carbohydrate gives 4 kilocalories. How many grams fats gives 9 kilocalories of energy? 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalories of energy to our body. Okay, children, understood? 1 banana, how many calories contains? 1 banana, 105 calories. Okay, children, the banana contains 105 calories. Next, see this picture, children. A 2 fried eggs 220 calories. Salad 100 calories. Biscuits 30 calories. Tea with sugar 10 calories. Total calories 360 calories. Turn the page, children. See this picture, children. Calories are either burned to produce energy or stored as fat if they are in excess. Energy intake. See here this picture. Energy intake. Activities. This color indicates activities, exercises and resting calories. Next, let us observe the following. Case 1. See this person here, children. A person eats more food but works less. More food. This person eats more food but works less. In other words, a person's body gets more energy but spends less. Hence, the surplus energy is stored in the body. Next, case 2, children. A person earns more money but spends 5 rupees less, but spends less. Hence, he saves more money. Who makes a good future during the time to come? Why? This person. This person saves more money. Children, look at these pictures. Here 3 pictures. Overweight, normal weight, underweight. Input calories greater than output calories. Overweight. Input calories equal to output calories. Normal weight. Input calories less than output calories. Underweight. In the first and third cases, there is an energy imbalance. The number of calories received by the body is not equal to the number of calories consumed by the body. The number of calories received by the body is not equal to the number of calories consumed by the body. If these input and output energies are not balanced, the weight of the body will changes, either overweight or underweight. Overweight due to this calories imbalance may lead to obesity. Overweight can be defined as having excess body weight for a particular height caused by fat, muscles, bone, water, or a combination of these factors. Obesity can be defined as having excess body fat. It is based on the degree of excess fat. Children become overweight and obese for a variety of reasons. The most common causes are overeating, lack of physical activity, unhealthy eating practice, genetic factors, or a combination of these factors. What are reasons, children? Obesity. The most common causes are overweighting, lack of physical activity, unhealthy eating practice, genetic factors, or a combination of these factors. Childhood obesity has both immediate and long-term effect on a person's health and well-being. Next, how do we know whether a child is obese or not? We can decide whether a child is obese or not by calculating body mass index, BMI. BMI is equal to weight in case by height in meters into height in meters. After calculating the BMI, we can say whether a child is underweight or normal or obese by using this chart. See here, children. Age years. Boys, girls. Underweight if BMI is below. Overweight if BMI is above. obese if BMI is above, underweight if BMI is below, overweight if BMI is above, obese if BMI is above. 5 years age, boys underweight 14.1 BMI. Next, overweight BMI 16.7, obese if BMI is above 17.7 in boys children. In girls, underweight if BMI is below 13.7, overweight if BMI is above girls 16.5, obese if BMI is above 17.8. Next, 6 years old, underweight 13.9 boys in boys, overweight 16.7, obese 17.9. In girls, 6 years old, 13.7 underweight, 16.7 overweight, 18.3 obese. 7 years old, in boys, underweight 13.9, overweight 17.0, obese 18.5. In girls, 7 years old age, underweight 13.7, overweight 17.2, obese 18.9. Next, 8 years old children in boys, underweight if BMI is below 14.0, overweight if BMI is above 17.4, obese if BMI is above 19.3. In girls, 8 years old, underweight if BMI is below 13.8, 17.6 overweight if BMI is above, obese if BMI is above 19.8. 9 years old in boys, 14.2 underweight, 17.4 overweight, obese 19.3. 8 years old in girls, 13.8 underweight, 17.6 overweight, 19.8 obese if BMI is above. Next, 9 years old children, underweight if BMI is below 14.2, overweight if BMI is above 18.1, obese if BMI is above 20.3. 9 years girls in underweight if BMI is below 13.9, overweight if BMI is above 18.4, and obese if BMI is above 20.9. 10 years old in boys, underweight 14.4, overweight 18.8, obese 21.2. In girls, 14.2 underweight, overweight 19.2, obese 22. Next, 11 years old in boys, 14.8 underweight, 19.6 overweight, 22.2 obese. Next, 11 years in girls, underweight 14.7, overweight 20.1, obese if BMI is above 23.0. Next, 12 years age children, boys 15.3 underweight, 20.3 overweight, obese if BMI is above 23.2. Next, girls 15.2 underweight, 21.0 overweight, obese 24.1. 13 years old in boys, underweight 15.8, overweight 21.1, obese 24.1. 13 years old in girls, 15.7 underweight, 21.7 overweight, obese 25. In 14 years, boys 16.3 underweight, 21.9 overweight if BMI is above. Next, obese if BMI is above 24.8. 14 years old in girls, 16.2 underweight, 22.4 overweight, obese if BMI is above 26. Next, 15 years old, underweight if BMI is below 16.8, overweight if BMI is above 22.6, obese if BMI is above 25.6. 15 years old in girls, 16.7 underweight if BMI is below, Overweight if BMI is above 23.1, obese if BMI is above 26.8 children. BMI, what is BMI meant? Body mass index. Body mass index equal to weight in kg by height in meter into height in meter. Okay children. Next page children, see here. Here are some healthy habits that will help you lower your BMI. Don't eat simply for the snack of eating. Avoid overweighting. Don't eat simply for the snack of eating. Avoid overweighting. Eat 4-5 small meals rather than 2 large meals in a day. Every day eat 4 or 5 small meals rather than 2 large meals in a day. Increase your fiber intake. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Children, all children drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Always keep a healthy snack on hand, such as fruits, grains and nuts. What are healthy snacks children? Fruits, grains and nuts. These are healthy snacks. Pizza, popcorn, burgers, chocolates, cokes. These are junk foods, unhealthy. Reduce your intake of sweets, soft drinks and fatty foods. Prefer low calories food. It is healthy to drink lemon juice, buttermilk, coconut water, fruit juice and milk. Children, lemon juice, buttermilk, coconut water, fruit juice and milk. These are healthy food items. Sweets, soft drinks, fatty foods, junk foods, these are unhealthy food items. Next, see these pictures children. Get a good night's sleep. Don't stay up late playing computer games or watching TV. This is a good children. Good night's sleep is a good. Don't stay up late playing computers games or watching TV. Next, see this picture children. Participate in physical games and sports. This is a healthy physical exercises. Okay children, keep away from fast food and junk foods. These are called fast foods. Keep away these items: burgers, sauce, ice creams, popcorn, potato chips, cool drinks, pizza, burger and juices. These are unhealthy items, junk food items. Keep away from fast foods and junk foods. Okay children, understood? Okay children, drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day children. Next, lemon juice, buttermilk, coconut water, fruit juice and milk every day. We drink every day these type of juices. And cool drinks, soft drinks, sweets, fatty foods, these food items avoid children. Okay children, thank you. I will meet in the next class.